How to lock Chrome profile with password. First things first is to launch your Google Chrome browser and head over to Google Chrome Web Store. Or you can go ahead and click on the first link. And from here, click on extensions and just type in locked Chrome. Now there will be multiple extensions that will be visible right here. All I have to do is you can try and choose on the first one. Now you'll have to add this extension to your Chrome, add extension, and this is where you can set. So the extension is set automatically. You'll just have to set up password first. So let's try, for example, password 101. Click on OK, and then OK. So it will automatically close. Now once you pull up your Google Chrome browser again, it will ask you to enter your password that you just set up earlier. So let's try that. Password 101 and then OK. There you go. It was successfully activated, and that's how you set a password in your Chrome profile.